Hello everyone, today we are discussing another application of related to the system of charge. We are calculating the electric potential in a system of charge. So today we are discussing a system of charge of a dipole. As a dipole we are taking a system of charge because we know that the dipole have the two charges. One is a positive charge, another is a negative charge. So one is a negative charge, another is a negative positive charge ka combination. So it have the small distance 2a. Here we have earlier discussed the axial, so you can check it out in another video session, and today we are discussing at the equatorial point. So that the center O have any perpendicularly distance is called equatorial, that the axis which is perpendicular. We can take any distance here, we can take any distance r from the center. So that distance will be act as a equatorial distance from these charges. Okay, so that's why we are taking the electric potential of a dipole at equatorial point. So at point equatorial point. So that distance will be split it in two parts. We know that it is total is a 2a, and from the center is towards the positive charge is a, and from the center from negative charge is a also. So base is a, the perpendicular is r. By applying the Pythagoras we can get the distance between these two charges as well as. So it will be something like this. So the distance will be same here also, a square plus r square. So now the purpose is that we want to calculate the electric potential here. What will be the electric potential due to the dipole at the point P? So due to positive charge, electric potential at P, it will be V1 upon V1, we will take it as 4 pi epsilon naught, that q upon the distance between them. We know that it is a r according to the formula, but what is the distance here? Here the distance from that positive charge to this one is under root a square plus r square. So similar way that we can take the electric potential at P due to negative charge. So that will be V2 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. That sign will come with the charge because it is a scalar quantity, and a is square r square under the root, because the distance remains same for the both cases. It is the equatorial point, so distance is equal for both cases. So now net potential. So net potential working at point P is what? V is equal to equatorial V1 plus V2. When we put these two values here, we will put first of all 4 pi epsilon naught q upon under root r square plus a square, and similarly we will put the value of this one. Because it is having the negative symbol, we will take it out, and the 4 pi epsilon naught q upon under root r square plus a square. When we see these two quantities V1 and V2, we find out that both quantities are equal because it is having the equal distance from the charge, and due to the scalar there is no component rectangular and vertical. So these quantities are cancelled out. We can say that at equatorial point the net electric potential is 0. So that is what we are trying to find out at point P. We are able to find out the electric potential at P is 0 due to the equal distance from the each of the charges, negative one and positive one. So that is our second application of electric dipole for calculating the electric potential. Thank you very much.